Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm making banana bread. This banana bread is not too sweet. I'm making a double batch, so I have 1 large loaf and 5 small that I can give away as gifts or pull out when I have company over. I'm peeling 6 ripe bananas for this recipe. The riper, the better. With a potato masher, I'm going to mash these up really well. When they're done, they will look something like this. Next, add in the water and mix that up until it's fully combined with the bananas. Once that's fully mixed, we're going to set that aside. In a large bowl, I'm going to next add the sugar. Now I'm going to add the oil to the sugar. Gently stir that and mix it well until fully combined. Once combined, it will look something like this. Next, I'm going to crack in 4 eggs. Next, I'm going to gently stir in the eggs and mix that up until it's fully combined. Now I'm going to add the banana mixture to the egg mixture and stir well. Next, add the flour to a separate bowl, followed by baking soda, some salt, and some baking powder. Mix those up. Now I'm going to add my flour mixture to the wet mixture in little batches, slowly mixing each little batch until it's all fully combined. I'm making some small loaves, but you could also make 2 large loaves. Grease the bottom of the pan with a little bit of butter. Then add your mixture to the pan. After that, we're going to clean off any little spills, which I made. I like to fill the small pans first, and then I just put the remaining batter in the large pan. These bake in a 350 oven until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. The small ones took about 30 minutes, and the large one took about 45 minutes. After they've sat about 10 minutes, remove them from the pans and let them finish cooling. I like to use a rubber spatula to gently loosen them around the edges and ease them out of the pan. Once they are fully cooled, you can slice them up and enjoy. The ingredients are in the description. If you like this video and would like to see more, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.